Parang nasa video tayo mag-share. Mute mo kami.
Yung shape that appear mostly on the real world.
Natural.
So, ayan. So, hello po, everyone. So, we're going to interview some of my classmates on what are your thoughts about the 30 minutes late suspension of classes. So, ate, ano po masasabi nyo na hindi na po matutuloy yung klase if late po ang prof? Paano yung opinion mo?
Okay lang kasi, alam mo yung pagod ako sa research.
Tao laban sa sarili. So, Zayrelly, ano po masasabi niyo?
Me is very thankful.
Yeah, who is the best? So, Kyle Ignacio, ano po masasabi niyo?
Siyempre masaya si Bakla.
Yeah, Toy Puchi.
May gusto lang po ako ipatig na mensahe sa ating prof sa next week sa ating finals. Alam ng Diyos.
Alam ng Diyos ang maghihirap. Just so my message for all of you is that, what's your message to all of them?
Kay chair ba to?
Yeah.
Yun lang yan sa chair.
For the flexible, self-directed learning, I mean, it is true that I'm studying to survive, but at the same time, and I am severely bothered by the amount of insects that are inside of my monitor right now, and I can't even talk properly. Nandun ka, puso, kung sakali.
Moshi ko tensei.
Alam niyo yung anime, yung may slime?
Hindi nyo ba get?
Rimuru! That time I got reincarnated as a slime.
Rimuru.
Ayoko na isik kayo masyado. Sobrang ganda, bro.
Tell me that we belong together. Just now.